My free time. In my free time, I enjoy doing various activities that help me relax and feel happy. One of my favorite hobbies is reading. I love to read adventure novels and fantasy stories because they take me to different worlds and spark my imagination. I usually read for about an hour every evening before going to bed. Another activity I enjoy is listening to music. Music helps me feel calm and improves my mood, especially after a stressful day at school. I like different kinds of music, such as pop, classical, and soft rock. Sometimes, I even sing along or try to learn the lyrics of my favorite songs. On weekends, I often spend time with my friends. We go to the park, play badminton, or sometimes just sit and talk. Being with my friends helps me feel more connected and cheerful. We also enjoy going to the cinema to watch new movies together. When I have more time, I enjoy learning new things online. I watch videos to improve my English, learn how to draw, or explore interesting facts about science and history. I think free time is a great opportunity to grow and develop new skills. Sometimes, I also help my parents with housework, like washing dishes or cleaning the room. It makes me feel responsible and helpful. In short, my free time is very important to me. It allows me to relax, enjoy my hobbies, and spend time with people I care about. I always try to use it wisely, so I can feel refreshed and ready for new challenges.